Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to PEMDAS and bond mass method. And here we have to solve this expression and find out the correct answer. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, we have to recall like what is PEMDAS and BODMAS rule and how you can apply this rule on any or arithmetic operation. So according to the rule, like we have the parenthesis and bracket. First, we have to solve this part in this expression first. And after that, and this parenthesis can be rounded, squarely, and squared. Now, after that, you have to solve the exponent or any power like x square or any number power and any square root of a number. So you can first after the bracket. And now if you have the multiplication and division and you are going left to right, so which one is coming first, you can solve that one. And similarly for addition and subtraction, you are going to left to right. So you have to see like which one is coming first. So you can solve subtraction first before addition, or if you get the addition first in the subtraction in that expression, so you can solve that addition first. Now let's start the topic. We will solve this expression first using the wrong method, like how people can be solve wrongly this expression, which is very simple expression, but you may can get the wrong answer by solving the wrong method. So if you see the wrong method, this is one is wrong method. So wrong method. So if you see like sometimes people solve like this way, 18 minus 6, you can say like you solve the 12 and now you can do multiply by 3. So after solving this expression, you can get the 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 and multiply by 3. And if you solve 66 multiplied by 3, you get the answer is 18. So this answer is wrong, but sometimes some people solve this way, but this is wrong method. Now we have to see like which one is the correct answer in you by solving this expression. Now we will solve this expression using PEMDAS or BOD mass method. Now, see like which operation you can solve first according to the rule. We have the P for parenthesis and B for bracket. So in this expression, we do not have any parenthesis, any square, rounded or curly bracket. So we can skip this step in this expression. After that, we see like is either exponent like power and any root is coming in this expression. So if you see left to right, like if you go left to right and see there is no power and any root expression in this expression. Now we have to see like multiplication and division, like which one is coming first, so we can solve as per rule. So now we will go left to right and see like which is coming first. So as per rule, this part is coming first, 6 divided by 2. So we have to solve this first. 18 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then we will write other expression as it is. So here we will give the reference here. We did the division first here. And now we will go again left to right and we will see like which is coming. We will solve first. So as per rule, we do not solve this part first. We have to solve this part, which is 3 multiplied by 3. So we will solve this one first. So as per rule, 18 minus 3 3s are 9. So here we did the multiplication first. And after solving this remaining part, we will get the answer is 9. So the correct answer of this expression is 9. So I hope you understand like how this one is correct answer you can get or as per rule of bird mass and PEMDAS method, and you can get the wrong answer if you do not follow this rule. So the correct answer is A, not B. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand the rule. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes and tricks from my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the latest video from my channel. And that's it for today. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.